TeamViewer for the iPhone is an application that allows you to connect to other computers. Of course, you have to have access, so a simple download from the TeamViewer website, available for both Mac and PC, are going to allow other people to screen share with you. And so you can use this for all sorts of different purposes. So now I have a unique ID that it gives me every time that I log in. So here's a scenario. Let me set this up for you. You have people back at the office doing things on the computer, whatever it is, and you're out in the field. So you need access to whatever it is that they're working on. You need to be able to view it, maybe even walk them through something, or they need to walk you through something. So you log into this application, they give you this partner ID that you type in, which is unique every single time. So this is not going to log you into my computer, in case you were wondering. This is a unique number that is generated on the fly each time that the application is connected on the computer that the application's installed on. So now it gives me basic instructions, kind of explaining to me what I can do and how I can do it. I can hit continue, and now I am actually viewing my desktop on my computer. And as I drag around, it moves, and you can see here that the application that's launched on my computer, very simple. It just gives me that session ID. I'm connected to the same Wi-Fi network, so all I have to do is log in this way. Or of course, I could even create remote support sessions and do file transfer and all that stuff. So as I'm scrolling around here, it's very easy for me to see and do things. I can tap here and work a keyboard. I can tap here and right click. It's very easy to use. So for example, if I was to tap on this screen here and do a right click, there I've got my right click. I could then go and select items from the menu. I can zoom out and view the entire keyboard, or view the entire desktop. I can also turn my phone into landscape mode and view as well. Because I have spaces on my Mac, I can go and even view different spaces and access those different spaces. Sometimes that takes a second because that's sending a lot of information to your phone, so you can make a selection. I'm just going to go ahead and stay in this screen just to keep it simple. So as I'm scrolling around and zooming around, I can easily tap the magnifying glass to zoom back in. Now here under our settings, we have our quality level, so if we need to change that, we can, but I've found automatic select is just fine. Let it figure it out. Remove the wallpaper turned on. That kind of freaked me out for a second, because what it did is it removed the wallpaper on my desktop temporarily. And the reason that it does that is so that it doesn't take so long for the images to load. If you've ever used a software like this before and you've wondered why it was so slow, it's because it's loading so much data. So for it to remove the wallpaper, that's really a neat feature that this has to obviously make sure that your sessions are going quickly as possible. Show the status bar. We have our instructions, turn on and off. We can log files, view the log file, and see our different connections and what's gone on in them right here, and I can trash that if I wanted to. So very easy to use this software. I was really surprised at how easy it was just to set up. Basically, launch the app on your computer. It gives you that unique session ID, the partner ID, and you go ahead and type that in on your device and you're connected. So whether or not you're just doing this to screen share for your own personal uses, which means it's free, if we were doing this for free, which we are right now, for personal uses, it doesn't cost us any money. If you're using it for business purposes, it's a very small fee and you're good to go. So I think this is a great application. It works so well. The image quality is good, even though it does kind of degrade it a little bit so that it loads faster. That is awesome that it does that all on the fly and makes it easy for me to get in here and see things and make changes and tap and type and do everything that I need to do in a remote fashion without it taking forever for things to load. So definitely check it out. This application is free. TeamViewer, the free version for personal use. Definitely go into the App Store and try it out today. It's worth it.